mixing bowl, add 1 cup of fine cornmeal, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and black pepper to taste. Whisk to combine. Now add 1 cup of sourdough discard, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Mix well. Pour the batter into a tall cup, slightly taller than your hot dogs. Cover and refrigerate while you prepare the hot dogs and heat the oil. Prepare a workstation with 2 to 3 inches of frying oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven, a wire rack, and metal tongs. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or slightly warmer. Skewer 8 beef hot dogs with popsicle sticks or any wooden stick. Pat each hot dog dry. If desired, you can coat each hot dog with a light dusting of cornmeal to help the batter stick even better. When your oil is ready, remove the batter from the fridge. Dip each hot dog in the batter and give it a twist to fully coat. Immediately transfer to the frying oil. Do not let the batter touch the bottom of the pan for the first 3 to 4 seconds. I hold my hot dogs at an angle while everything begins to set before dropping them in. Fry 3 to 4 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, turning as necessary until cooked through and golden. Repeat for the remaining hot dogs and batter. It can be helpful to use a pair of kitchen shears to cut the batter from the bottom. You can also angle your hot dog upwards for a brief second to help the batter settle on top. And that's it. Let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy. This recipe does make 8 full corn dogs, I just didn't have the room on this tray to display them all. Because I'm not perfect, let me show you some common mistakes. Mistake number 1 is not sealing on top. In my opinion, this isn't really an issue. The corn dog will still be just as enjoyable and still looks great on the outside. Mistake number 2 is improper coating. This is likely to happen when you reach the end of the batter or if your batter is not chilled and is slipping off the hot dog easily. Coating the hot dog for frying is probably the hardest part and may take some practice. Don't worry, a corn dog like this will still taste just as good. Hope you'll give this one a try. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.